Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video I will tell you about how you apply the dark theme. We apply the dark theme in the YouTube Creator Studio. In the previous video I will tell you about the WhatsApp dark theme. If you not see, the link is present in the description. You can see, also you can see it. So now how we can apply the YouTube Creator Studio dark theme. So first open the YouTube Creator Studio. After opening this, the main page of the YouTube Creator Studio is here. I already applied the dark theme. Now how we can change it to light theme or dark theme. So first you click on the this bar. This bar here is the icon is present of our channel link. So click here. After clicking this, you can see it. Here is the option of settings. Click on this. After clicking this, you will see here is the two options are present, where we can comment section notification, where we can set the notification bar, and also dark theme apply. After close this, you see the theme of my YouTube Creator Studio is light theme. After if you again on it in this way the theme is dark. So in this way we can apply the dark theme on the YouTube Creator Studio. Thank you guys. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.